Welcome to Project Zero of Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. In this project, we are supposed to be simulating a Google web page. So, this is the Google web page that I have created. It looks same to the actual Google web page. We have got all these buttons and sign in button, images, and advanced search are links to the other web pages that were required to be created. The search box is also similar to one present on Google. On hovering, you can see the shadows that are being generated. And for example, if we make a search, it will go to the resulting web page. Also, you can do the same by clicking this Google search button, and another button which was required to be made was I am feeling lucky, which should take us to the first result of the results web page. So the first result was www.cnbc.com, but due to security reasons, Google gives this prompt before redirecting to the desired web page. But the functionality of the I am feeling lucky button is working perfectly. As you can see, it takes us to the web page, CNBC website. The another web page that we were required to make was Google Images. We can reach that by clicking on this image hyperlink over here, and on doing so, this is the Google image web page. And if we search for a particular thing, it will take us to the results in the images tab of Google, which is exactly that was required. Also, there was this advanced search that we were supposed to make, which looks like this, which has these 4 parameters, and we can make searches and it will give the results as desired and as expected from the advanced web page. For example, we can search for and on clicking the advanced search button, we can get the resulting searches. As you can see in the URL, everything is as intended. Thank you so much.